I found a really neat way to show your checklist. When you change your status, the symbol next to it changes accordingly. Let's say, for example, in progress, if we change it to completed, you can see it shows a black checkbox next to it. And if it's not started, we're going to say completed. It comes up to a black checkbox next to it. Let me show you how this is done. We're going to start off with assigning the color for the symbol. So you can see that I have two columns dedicated for status, and this is where I'm going to show my symbol. Go ahead and highlight that particular column where the symbol is going to appear. Then you go Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, Manage Rule. In here, you're going to say New Rule, use formula to determine which cell to format. And over here, you're going to say equal $D, which is column D. We're going to look for the status in text D5 equal to, say, not started, like this. And if it's not started, we're going to show our symbol in red. Go format, go under font, you're going to change the color to red for not started and click on OK. Now select this thing and duplicate rule and double click on any of those rules there. And then over there, the next one we're going to start is, let's say, completed, because we got 3 selections from our pull down. Completed, and completed, we're going to show our text color or font color in black and click OK. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate my completed rule again and double click any of these completed ones here and change this to in progress, and change the in progress font color to be green like this, and click OK and OK one more time. Now to show the status next to your in progress or completed status message, go ahead and highlight the column where your symbol is supposed to appear, and over here you're going to say equal ifs open parenthesis $D5 equal to not started. If that statement is true, we're going to show a unit chart of code 10062, which is essentially a square box and a cross. If you're wondering where I got the 10062 code from, watch towards the end of the video. I'll show you exactly where you get it from. Comma D5 completed, unit chart of 9989, which is going to be a square box with a tick, comma $D5 equal to in progress. If that statement is true, unit chart of 10226, which is a circle with an arrow in it. Close parenthesis for unit chart and close parenthesis for ifs. Hit Control Enter and your job is complete. And if you're pondering where I got my Unicode from, I got it from Vertex 42. I'll leave the link on the description of this video.